In the United States, one of the reasons things look small in our bathrooms is things are compartmentalized. A way to eliminate that compartmentalization is to use things like a one-level wet room. You can also use a low-profile base that doesn't delineate the shower pan as much from the bathroom floor.
So if you want to add natural light into a bathroom, but maintain your privacy, you can always rough in a window, whether it's glass block that has some privacy.
If you've got a situation where the pivoting door comes out and leaves a puddle of water on your bathroom floor, an excellent way to get rid of that is using really either a sliding door system or to use a walk-in system.
There's what they call shower fins. It could be actually a glass that has a fin on it that moves.
If you've got a small bathroom you want seating, it's hard to fit in a bench seat that's stationary. So a great way to do it is to actually have a fold-down seat that comes down and you can put it down when you need it and put it back up when you don't.
And it's very nice, so you use it when you need to use it. Again, you could go with a corner seat if you feel more comfortable that way and you just don't like the flip-down seat.
If you've got a small square bathroom, an excellent way to get a shower in that space is to use either a neo-angle shower where the glass door is on a 45-degree angle, or to use a curved or rounded shower that fits neatly into the corner of the room.
Gives you the flexibility of moving it to one side and having a door entered at an angle instead of straight on.
Narrow bathrooms can be a pain. A way to make that process not so difficult is to use a more shallow wall-hung vanity so it's easier to get around the space and you're not bumping into the sides. If your space looks small and you want to open it up, the best way to do it, I believe, is to use a one-level wet room system so you've got one continuous space, yet your shower drain still is at the lowest point in the room so you don't have to really worry about leakage because the entire space is waterproofed. If you struggle with storage, you're probably like most people in a small bathroom. So one way to do it is to put a recessed niche which goes inside of the wall cavity.
So you can gain some space by doing a wall-hung vanity. It's a smaller system. Doesn't go floor to ceiling, so you have the space underneath the vanity as well. It's just a sleek, more compact option for smaller areas.